We started Authentise in 2012 after witnessing a plane crash in Nigeria that killed 159 people because it takes a minimum of 3 days to get a spare part into the country, and the airline decided to keep the plane flying. We knew then what people can see in the pandemic-ridden world now, that supply chains suck, and changing them means not only that people can get what they want when they want it, but that transport is safer, jobs are more secure, hospitals can function well. It's in our hands to make a difference, and with that in mind, we have been setting out to create a distributed manufacturing reality. The path to that reality is a warrant. So with a mixture of luck and listening closely to what the customers want, in addition to building the vision that we want, we have built a financially sustainable leader in a niche of factory management for 3D printing that we can all be proud of. Our products are used by big companies like Boeing, 3M, Ricoh, Danfoss and others to manage their operations more efficiently, and by doing so, capturing the machine data and contextual data for broader learning. But there's a lot more to do. For that, we need you. We are growing about 2 times per year and have a desperate need in nearly all sides of the business: developers, customer success, marketing, sales, admin. So if you have mad skills and a desperate desire to leave your mark, as well as care about the world around you, be in touch. We need to take care of you as you do of us. We measure our success in attaining your own 18-month goals. We make sure that you're financially successful when we are, and we review our impact on the world around us as a whole. COVID might have changed the way we work and where and how. We no longer work full-time in our offices in Philadelphia or London, but it hasn't changed who we are. A committed, honest, socially responsible company striving for impact. If that speaks to you, please be in touch. We would love to hear from you.